Ladies and gentlemen, Jade Gilbert. Ready to tackle this?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. All right. Oh, it's recording right now. Oh, just today's vlog. I'll start it off. Yeah, we gotta try to get closer with this wide angle. Oh, it's recording right now.
I look so tiny.
Oh, you gotta get in the frame, girl. Hey guys, welcome to Gilbert Gardens. We are a Canadian homesteading channel from Niagara Falls.
Woo, represent!
Today we are just doing a little bit of finishing up the garden.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically everything's done. Dead, not producing.
Everything's gone.
Everything's gone. Well, no, your mom's garden's still there.
Yeah.
There's a tomato trying to make a comeback.
Yeah.
But it's all over with. So we're just gonna basically tear out what's left, sift through the dirt like we have been, and I got a fence repair to do and get some of the more composted compost, is that a word?
Yeah.
Composted compost?
Nice describing words.
Yeah, because we got 3 compost bins right now. So the first one I've been working on for the last at least 6 weeks now.
Yeah.
So that stuff's ready to go into a bed. The stuff in the middle needs to be turned over, and we're just gonna keep working it back. So
Yeah.
more or less just,
Trying to get this part done.
yeah, just close this chapter of our lives out. It's like the garden's done, but there's still work to be done, you know?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
sucks, but yeah, the baby's down for a nap, so we're capitalizing and we're gonna work as a team and get it done quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go do that now.
Get her done.
Yeah, I'll show you guys in a little bit the 2 holes I found in the fence. I don't really know what caused them, but I'm hoping it's not a rat. That'd be nasty. Alright, well, Jade's over here in the corner.
Hey.
Hey. Getting rid of this weed bed. And what's going on with all the squash and stuff? Are you getting rid of that?
Yeah, I was hoping that the squash might make it, but I don't think it will. So
There's a little something going on over there.
yeah, they're just not turning.
Oh. Okay. Well, good luck with those 2 beds. I'm going to work on sifting. I've got my sifting operation set up, so like you guys have probably seen in the previous vlog, we've been raking all the debris and stuff from the crappy soil we got, and trying to just sift through it so we can bring in our compost and manure into the beds for next year. So they end up looking something like that. That's kind of the end result.
So my part of the job here is to weed the bed, and then Eddie comes in and gets really down deep in there and gets rid of all the rocks and does his sifting stuff. So that's my job.
That's right, reuse, reduce, and recycle, isn't it? The 3 R's?
Yeah.
Okay, so those 3 were a BITCH. This one's already done from before. So we're moving on over to the other side. Alright, so we decided we're not going to have too many more of these insanely nice October afternoons, and we're taking a break. We're going to go to the park. There's nothing more important than taking my daughter out and having a good time with my wife, you know? So we're pausing and we'll be back in a minute. Ready? Your hands in. Did you like it? Well, we got back from the park finally, like 4 hours later. I put Jade's Pixel 2 phone up on the roof of the SUV and took off on down the highway, and needless to say, the phone is no more. We found it actually, which is remarkable. It looks like it's been ran over by a semi. So had to run out, get a phone, you know how that goes. So long story short, it's like 7 p.m. now, and I'm gonna try and get a little bit more work done here tonight. Alright, well hopefully you can see me. I got all the spotlights out. Really trying to get this last bed. And then I've got all of them except for the one that still has some plants in it. So I'm just gonna peck away here. It's not as late as it looks. Alright, so the last garden to come out is my mother-in-law's here. A little soft, but a couple tomatoes in there still actually, but we'll leave that for another day. Alright, well, trying to keep it down, people are trying to sleep here. I think that's it for today's little vlog. I got almost all the beds done except for one, and then we're ready for winter. Jade and I are just debating if we want to cover the beds with plywood or landscaping fabric. So we'll have to figure that part out, but have a good night.